How to sign up for Amazon Prime Video. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on Amazon Prime Video. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is download the application, or if you don't want it, you can also continue with the website. I'm just going to show you on the application. Once you download the application from Google Play Store, tap on the profile section, or if this is your first time doing, you will be asked to log in or sign up. So if you tap on new, you can enter the name of your profile. And once you enter the name, you can just tap on save. Now, once the account has been added, you will have an option to enter the email to invite them. So once you provide your information on your Amazon and enter all of your login credentials, you should be invited on the email. So go ahead and open up your Gmail app to um, select your account and verify it. And once you verify your account, you should be able to create a new Prime Video account. So once you do that, you can enjoy your favorite TV shows or movies on Prime Video. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.